Why, hello everybody! This is Dragon Lover once again with another video. And believe it or not, it is another, well, I would say an unpackaging video. Yes, this just came in today, and I am stoked to see what it is. So, without further ado, let us pretty much see what we have attained this time. Again, safety precautions. If you're a younger viewer, pretty much get someone who's experienced with scissors and be safe around them. So, what is it that is inside? Who is our new little friend that we shall be meeting? And I've been rapping in the raillands in a span of time. Da 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 da. Evelto. I was not expecting to get a small Evelto, but hey, it's Evelto regardless. If you're gonna ask, yes, I prefer Pokemon Y over X. Because Evelto was awesome. Also, Bird of Death. Now, to skip to the part where I unwrap him. Well, here he is, everybody. Evelto in all of his awesome red and black glory. Evil Death, Big Death Bird. Also, little tag. That is super, super cool. He's so floofy. Seriously. I was looking on Amazon, looking for an Evelto plush. And boy, oh boy, am I glad that I found one that was cheap. But seriously, just look at the design of this. He's small, but I am fine with this. Because I have plans for this guy. It's pretty good plushing material. Do you have anything to say, buddy? Greetings, everybody. I am Evelto. It is an honor being here. And I hope to look forward to my career on this place. You're not gonna try and kill anyone, are you? No. I have reserved that energy long ago. Well, that's good to know. At least I'll have a killer bird that has, well, that won't practically eat anything living. But it also has a bonus material. While I was pretty much out and about, seriously, it was a really nice day out, guys. Well, surprise, surprise! Yep. I had went to Walmart, and they were selling these. I never thought I would see the day where I would see a dinosaur, let alone a T-Rex, holding a candy heart. Seriously, this was adorable, and I never thought I would have to see one today. It was like, might as well get it. It would be interesting. And most importantly, guys, last time I went out, me and my mom, we went to different stores, like 3 to 4. 2 were Walgreens, one, and the other was practically the Walmart we usually go to. And we were looking for Pokemon plushes, and while they didn't really have any that would, well, I would want. So, yeah. So, consider this as like a makeup from what happened. And as you can see this, without you, I'd be history. That's adorable. But yeah, today was a really, really interesting day. I hope you all enjoyed this and look forward to seeing more videos. I'll see you all later. Bye, everybody, and have a great day.